Okay, don't judge me. This is what I started with and its current state. But it's my first year gardening, so we're keeping it real. Hi, y'all. I'm Okima, and this is my very first year gardening. I don't know everything. Honestly, I barely know anything, but I'm excited to learn. And I wanted to document this entire journey. This is what I'm working with. It's not perfect, but it's mine, and I see its potential. I started this garden because I wanted something that was just for me. Between work, being a mom of four, and living with PTSD, I needed something that was just for me. So I need food, flowers, and peace. I'm figuring out how to balance work, family, and this new hobby. Some days I'll get it right, and some days we'll see. My goals for spring are simple. I want to grow onions, peppers, beets, carrots, peas, Swiss chard, and tomatoes. I also want to grow flowers. Some are edible, some are for the pests, and some are for pollinators. And of course, I want to grow peace. You're starting your first garden too. Stick around. We're learning this together.